Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I want to try out these window screen repair patches with you. So I'm here on my back porch that is screened in. There are a ton of places around it that are damaged. So we're gonna try these out. Now these can very easily be used on like your regular window screens or even like over your drains for bathtubs and sinks to catch, scrap food or hair. So there's tons of different application options for these. And this particular pack is the 24 pack. You get these 3 different styles here. So you get this little guy right here that is just a large 4x4 square, and on the back you just have this adhesive paper covering, so you'll just peel that off for application. And then you get 8 of these that come with little 2x2 squares and a 2x4 rectangle. So there's 8 of those. And then you get another large 4x4, but it has adhesive running through the middle both horizontally and vertically, and you get 8 of those. Steps of application consist of cleaning the area, making sure it's dust free. Then you trim any rough edges that might be there and make sure that it's nice and smooth so that the adhesive can stick really well. So we're going to peel one of these little 2x2 squares off. Make sure that you get that little sticky backing. Don't just peel off the screen material. Okay, and just press that on. It feels very secure. It's not lifting when I run my finger over it. It feels great, and it filled in that open space with the screen. I think these are a perfect solution. They feel durable and well made, and the process to apply it was definitely simple. So if you have some small areas of damage around your home on like your screened windows or on a screened in porch, these are a great option, so you're not having to replace an entire screen for a small area of damage or a few small areas of damage. So these are an amazing option. I would definitely give these a try.